Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Take Afro. Hope you all are doing great. So today I'm going to show you how you can disable two-factor authentication on Discord. So go to Discord and go to your profile. Now from here tap on your account, and then here you can see your two-factor authentication is enabled. So tap remove 2FA to disable it. If you tap remove 2FA, then here you will see they want a 6-digit number which is on your Google Authenticator. So copy your 6-digit code and paste it here, and then tap remove 2FA and your two-factor authentication is removed. So this is how you can disable two-factor authentication on Discord. So thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon button. See you in the next video. Bye bye.